Okay, I feel that we are past the storm. I know that they're going to pass whatever they need to pass to make the government open and blah, 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 blah. So, um, flag breaking to the upside, nice engulfing pattern coming off a nice strong 50-day moving average. So, this looks more to upside to approach maybe the top of this channel, this 15,700. If you're using the diamonds, you can use the diamonds, and this looks good. The price action's above, and you could continue to move to the upside. So um, just looks really good, and glad that the news has gotten over with, so we can go back to our regularly scheduled program. S&P 500 gave that flag, broke above these highs, and continuing to move to the upside. Nice MACD crossover. If you can see that on the bottom, MACD crossover to the bullish MACD. So this is all bullish right here. Yep, you're getting above past resistance. Pivot point, so one, you had the false breakout, but now you're back above it. So looks good. If you look at the weekly, again, looks really good. You had the hammer from last week, and it's continuing to look good at the end of the day. So we can look at the composite. Let's just start. Composite. Let's start off at the weekly. Hammer engulfing. I mean, you should be all over this. QQQ for the weekly. Daily still looks really, 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 really good. So you can continue to look at this one, and it's clear these highs. Is also the Russell is clearing highs as well, so you can use the IWM to trade that. Looking good. Volume is tapering a little bit, but again, you have this small little tight little flag and broke at the upside, and there's no resistance. I mean, look at that. That's what you want to see, and I call that clear skies. At the end of the day, I'd rather trade stocks that have clear skies than worry about other external factors that I cannot control regarding if it has some resistance it might have to get through. I like when there's nothing. So you had Tesla, quite honestly, I think is just giving you a little bit of flag. If it can get above this price level of 188.79, it can definitely come and approach these previous highs. SolarCity, I was looking for the flag, and I had it from yesterday, and it just broke out, and it gave me a lot more. I mean, 12 something percent. I mean, it squeezed the hell out of whoever, but it flagged and broke above it, like we said yesterday, and it continues to the upside. Facebook is looking good. I think it has earnings. I actually was talking to a friend of mine. If you should follow him, his name is it's Yobro Economics. He's a really, really good guy. Me and him speak a lot, and you should follow him. He's a great trader, great guy too. And we were talking about this stock today, and it could continue to go to the upside. I mean, that's all you got currently. Going into Thursday, you have an engulfing pattern, so it breaks above this. It's clear skies above this. At the end of the day, it gave you a nice hammer formation at a previous. This line is the IPO high, so gave you some really good opportunity to, if it broke that, then it breaks down, but it looks like it's going to head back up, and I wouldn't be looking to short this one at all. You got Biogen breaking out. We said we had higher lows in place, and it's breaking out to the upside, gave a little flag action, getting above. So if it could get above, it could continue to run and the volume increase. So that's a good sign as well. You have MasterCard continuing to run to the upside as well. You have Chipotle is holding at the 10, so we got to see what's going on, but do not discount this these 2 days. But if it breaks back above at least this 44394 area, it's back to the upside, clears that shooting star, and it's off and running. Jazz continues to look weak. That's kind of unfortunate. Let's look at Priceline. Priceline is continuing. We thought it was a flag. Well, I thought it was a flag at the time. You have an engulfing pattern. It's continuing to the upside. Volume's a little bit weaker, but it could continue to the upside. Maybe it gives you a little sideways or something that you can get back in the trade. So that's a good sign. You have Amazon coiling up. If it could get above these levels right here, it definitely could break to the upside. So let me get rid of this. So yeah, so it's pretty much getting above this previous level, and if it can get above at least the 10 and get above this high right here, it could definitely launch to more upside. So that's a good sign. And another name that you should look at is LOWES. This is definitely a flag if you cannot see it, and if it breaks above here, it definitely can run and then come and test the highs. Let's look at the weekly. Clear skies. So those are the names that I'm going to look at and just do a little bit more homework tonight. Got to get on it. So it was a crazy week, crazy couple 2 weeks due to the government shutdown, and any little news of yay or nay was throwing the markets to 200-300s. But at the end of the day, if we look at, I mean, hindsight's 2020, so I kind of just stepped back because I wasn't really sure and can't really monitor my positions. But if you look at the weekly, excuse me, this is monthly. Got it up, and it's continuing to be up. You know, this is the weekly. You look at the diamonds. You look at the monthly, still up above these previous 2007 highs. And it's continuing, you know, to go to the upside. If it breaks above this high of 157.06, again, you continue higher and higher and higher. And don't try to step in front of a you know, a moving train. Do not try to catch a falling knife. Those things, whoever, like, again, whoever says that they can do that is lying. And we don't want to predict, we just want to react. And sometimes the best reaction is say, you know what, I can't predict it, or I can't react accordingly to how I usually like, and you just step aside. So right now, it's all bullish here, right now, but we only have the right side of the chart to trade. So again, take care, and you know, keep at it, trading well.